Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a subdomain so you can use it in, for example, Clickfunnels. Now, have in mind that this one is a subdomain that I'm going to be adding in Namecheap. If you have any other host, domain host, just look for how to do that in that same host. It's going to be looking something similar. By the way, in this one I'm going to be using the subdomain portfolio, so I then can use it to show my portfolio to my clients. If you are curious about that, just go check the other video that I just posted about that simple task. Now, let's jump right in. If you go to your domain list and select the manage the domain list that you want to select to use and add a subdomain, you are going to this dashboard. And in the dashboard, you are going to add a new record, select CNAME record, and for the host you are going to choose portfolio or go challenge or info or demo or any that you want, any word that you really want to use. Now for the value it's going to be target.clickfunnels.com, and then for the TTL I'm going to be placing, in this case, automatic. Then I'm going to hit save changes. Now I have my subdomain, portfolio, and my value target.clickfunnels.com. What I need to do is go to Clickfunnels, add a new domain, add an existing domain, and just mention portfolio.letsgofunnels.com. Okay. After that, I'm going to add the domain, and it's going to be settled. All right. I've already done this step, and it's going to be all good. Have in mind that this can take a couple of minutes or even hours to get the SSL and everything running. But in my case, I really think that it's going to be pretty quick, about 2 minutes. So here you would just select the funnel that you would like to select. In my case, it's going to be Let's Go Funnels. Let me check what it is. Let's Go Funnels, and then associate funnel. All right. Now, that's basically about it. I've added a lot of stuff and retracted a lot of stuff here. And you can do the same. Just follow this guide and you are going to be all good. Just adding the SSL right here, and that's done. All right. Now, see ya in the next video.